of the misconceptions that I find children have with fractions is they're not sure if a number that has a larger denominator is also a larger fraction. So one of the things I've done with children starting in grade 1 and all the way up to grade 5, which is what I'm teaching right now, is have them make a fraction kit. So in a fraction kit, we do this together. The children are given 5 strips of different colors, and we start off by labeling the first strip as a whole. Then they fold in half and make 2 halves, and then I have them fold again to make 4 quarters, and then again to make 8/8 and 16/16. One of the things we do is we play a game. So there's a fraction die that has halves, quarters, 8ths, and 16ths on it. Each child has their fraction kit, and what they're trying to do is fill the hole. So they would roll, and here's a half. They would move one of their halves on to the hole. And then their partner would have a turn, my turn again, and now I've got a 16th. And as they're working here, they start to see a lot of equivalence. They start to see what's going to fit here, and they start to make predictions. For example, they might see here that they need 3/16 to fill the spot that's left. So by playing this game over and over again, kids really start to get that feeling of that 2 quarters is equal to a half, that 4/16 fit into a quarter. And just by handling them, I think the color helps as well. And just visualizing, I find they become very fluent. And then when they're doing a different activity, for example, I might say to children on a worksheet, what is bigger? Is a quarter bigger or 3/8? And at that point, they're often able to visualize those little 3/8, and they realize, oh, 3/8 definitely is bigger than a quarter. But if they're not sure, they could be given their fraction kit and really discover, oh, of course that's bigger.